Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to withdraw funds from your Google account. The first thing you need to do is to log in to your Guru account. So open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com and click on login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password or any other account credential and click on login to access your dashboard. In the dashboard, which we have here, go ahead and click on your profile name. So once you click on your profile name in the top right corner, click on it to open the drop down menu, and from the drop down menu just go ahead and click on manage cash account. And that's the first way to get there, and the easiest way to head over there is to check the tabs which is at the center of the screen. Go ahead and click on payments, and once you click on payments, click on the payment tab. And once you click on the payment tab, it's going to take you to a window where you see further tabs, and one of the tabs include the cash account. So here you go: invoices, transfer methods, cash accounts, 109 and tax forms, and transaction reports. Now click on cash account. So you open the cash account to open the withdrawal page, or you click on the cash account tab to open the withdrawal page. Okay, so here you go. Now Guru offers several withdrawal methods. Example: PayPal, bank transfer, wire transfer, whichever one you want to use. That you can head over to transfer methods to choose the transfer method that you want to use. So let me just get over to transfer method so you can see all of the options. So you can just link your Guru account to any of the payment methods available by Guru. So here are the payment methods available. So here you go. You have bank accounts, US only, bank accounts, non-US, PayPal, credit card, and wire transfer. So once you've added, click on add transfer method. To add your transfer method, head over to cash account when you are ready, just ready to withdraw. Now here it says no funds available, so go ahead and click on this withdraw button if you have funds that you want to withdraw. Now once you click on withdraw, it's going to take you to the withdrawal section, and in there, go ahead and enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance. Double check your withdrawal method and amount entered. Ensure that your payment information is up to date, and if needed, you may need to enter or confirm your payment details. And after verifying all details, click on the withdrawal button to initiate the withdrawal process, and you may receive a confirmation prompt to ensure you want to proceed with the withdrawal. And after submitting your withdrawal request, you may be redirected to a confirmation page or see a notification indicating that your request is being processed. You can return to the withdrawal funds section to check the status of your withdrawal. All right, and withdrawal requests are typically processed within a specified time frame, which is 2 to 3 business days. Check your chosen payment method for the deposited funds after processing period, and after completing your withdrawal, you can log out of your Guru account, or you can just leave it there. So by following the steps, you can successfully withdraw funds from your Guru account. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.